In this time of heartbreak and grief for Texas flood victims, analysts say those wanting to help are an easy target for scams. Fox's Jillian Hartman tells us how fake GoFundMe fundraisers could steal money from a very well-meaning public.
Well, in the wake of the devastation in Central Texas, many people want to help and donate, but local authorities say scammers are taking advantage and creating fake fundraisers, pretending to help victims when really they're just pocketing the donations. Now, we just learned here in Harris County there has been a report of a fake GoFundMe page for a flood victim. And joining me here is Constable for Precinct 1, Alan Rosen. So tell me about this recent report and how people can spot a fraudulent fundraiser.
Well, it's very difficult to actually spot it. Like this particular case involved, a local Houstonian and a flood victim, and tragically at a time when families are suffering the greatest loss in their lives. A scammer, a criminal, somebody who I think is soulless is taking advantage or trying to take advantages of their situation. And so they set up a GoFundMe account in the name of one of the victims and claimed that they were trying to raise money. And they actually even they got 2 donations totaling $1,500 to incentivize people to donate. But even those people we discovered are dead. So they were just trying to kind of get this ruse going. We are doing an investigation into this, and I'm going to go full force to try to find who would do such a thing. We immediately contacted the GoFundMe people and shut the site down immediately so no one got scammed. And so from our perspective, in order to ensure that a GoFundMe or any other fundraising things that are out there for these victims, just make sure that you've vetted them. Make sure GoFundMe has tips that people should look at prior to giving money on a GoFundMe or any other site.
Well, thank you for that helpful information. Now, if you see a GoFundMe page that appears suspicious, make sure to report it to your local authorities. Reporting in Harris County, I'm Jillian Hartman, Fox News.